Turkish Kebab Salad recipe. If you've ever enjoyed Turkish kebabs, you'll know that they are almost always served with a refreshing onion salad on the side. This simple yet flavorful Turkish kebab salad, often called Sumac Onion Salad, is tangy, zesty, and the perfect companion to grilled meats, kebabs, or even rice dishes. Ingredients: 2 red onions, 2 tomatoes, a handful of parsley or fresh coriander if you prefer, 1 tablespoon sumac, juice of half a lemon. Instructions: prepare the onions, peel the red onions, and slice them thinly. Chop the vegetables, dice the tomatoes, and finally chop the coriander or parsley. Mix everything. In a mixing bowl, add the onions, tomatoes, and herbs. Season, sprinkle in the sumac, and drizzle with lemon juice. Massage the salad. Using clean hands, gently massage the ingredients together. This helps soften the onions and allows the flavors to blend beautifully. Serve. Enjoy this fresh and tangy salad alongside kebabs, grilled meats, or as a refreshing side dish. Tips and variations. For extra flavor, you can add a pinch of salt and a drizzle of olive oil. If you like spice, sprinkle in some chili flakes. This salad tastes even better if you let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before serving, allowing the onions to absorb the lemon and sumac.